How to remove account from the list on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at bottom right corner of your screen. If you click on your username at the top, you will find a list pop up in this way at the bottom. To remove these lists, simply click on three lines at the top right. Scroll down in here. Scroll down till you find log out option. Log out of the account. Click on log out again. And you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. Click on remove profiles. And then click on remove. After you've clicked on remove, click on remove again. After it's removed, simply go back and your another account will pop up. If you click on arrow-like option at the top, you won't see any lists. In this way, you can simply choose to remove account from the list. This is how to remove account from the list on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.